In this video I'll be showing you how to make my version of the Hinge diff rig. Let's go. First cut about 6 inches from your chosen filament. Thread 2 inches of filament through the eye of a Choddy hook. Wrap the filament around the hook 6 times. Then push it back through the eye of the hook and tighten. Next, slide a micro rig ring onto the tag. Pass the tag back through the eye. Leave a little loop to create a D and burn the remaining tag. Then thread your ring swivel onto the filament. Wrap the filament around twice and pull it back through the loop you created. Pull apart to tighten the rig. Then cut the tag down and finish it off by burning the remaining tag. Next, cut about 8 inches from a semi-stiff braid. Thread the braid through the ring on the swivel. Create a double loop using both ends of the tag. Then pass both tags through the loop twice. And pull apart to tighten, leaving about an inch for your loop. Cut the remaining tag. Repeat this step on the opposite end. This time pass your second ring swivel through the loop twice. Finally, tighten a knot and then cut off the tag. And now we have a complete rig. Thank you for watching.